I am so excited. I am so grateful, and I am so thankful. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good
morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. I have been shampooing my hair this morning, and while I was wrapping my hair up, I was watching a video about a savings challenge. And I remember when I wasn't saving money. That takes me to the name of the video, the title of this video. If you're not saving money, you don't have any money. Because all the money that comes in your hands are going out of your hands. My husband and I started a savings challenge. It didn't start out to be a challenge, but I was telling him about a video that I watched. It was one of my son Joshua's elementary school classmates. Her name is Alicia, and I am going to put a link to her video in the description box. I'm also going to put her name in the video, just right in here somewhere. And she was talking about saving for vacation. And she was putting a certain amount of money in certain envelopes. And I don't remember how often she said she was going to put the money in the envelope, but it got me thinking, if you put the number 1 on an envelope, you would put $1 in there. If you put the number 2 in an envelope, you would put $2 in there. And then with 2 envelopes, you have $3. And you build from there on to the next envelope. So I told my husband about it. And then he decided, let's not do it together. Let's challenge each other. So I said, okay. After some weeks, I said, okay, let's take a look at how much money we've saved. He pulled his out. And in envelope number 1, he had $1. In envelope number 2, he had $3. In envelope number 3, he had $6. So what he was doing was the math. And I said, that's not what I said. Of course, he disagreed, but that's the way he was saving. And he ended up with more money than me. That takes me to this morning's video that I watched. And I don't remember the YouTuber's name, but I will add it to this video. I certainly will. Because another way of saving that she mentioned was digital savings. Now, we've been doing this for quite some time. And that if we swipe our debit card, whatever the change amount goes into our savings. And it adds up. It really does. My husband swipes more than me, of course. If you spent $10.49, 51 cents will go into your savings to round it up to the next dollar. Another way that we save is my paycheck. There's a certain amount of money allotted for my savings, and it goes into my savings account from my paycheck. These are ways that you can save. Again, I'm going to say, if you don't save money, you won't have money. I remember those days. I remember when I wanted a new refrigerator. So I saved the money. I was not going to finance that refrigerator. And went to the store and purchased my refrigerator with cash. And you can do that just by using some of the methods that I've told you about. There are other methods because there are apps that you can use to save. My future daughter-in-law told me about this.
Digit is a savings app that you link with your bank. You get like a 30 or 60 day free trial. After that, it's probably a $3 or a $5 fee. It saves money based off the amount of money that you have in your bank account. You can tell it how much you want it to take out each day, a percentage, or how long you would like it to take out. You can put different categories for like a vacation or just for random savings, emergency savings, and you can tell it how much to put in each savings account every day. And what it does, it will go in, it'll take $2, $3, sometimes more, depending on what you have in your account, and it'll take it out and put it into your bank account or into a savings account on their app. You can pause savings at any time. You can cash it out at any time for no fees. It all goes directly back into your regular checking. But it's just an easy way to save money. So it's just a little app that helps you save a little extra money every month.
Okay, from your experience, how much were you able to save and how long did it take to save?
Well, it depends again on how much you have in your bank. So I would save at least probably about $100 to $150 a month just with this one little app.
Okay. All right.
So it adds up as long as you just don't touch it.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for this very informative video. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
There are certainly ways that you can save. There are some of us that say, I don't have enough income to save. How many sodas do you purchase? How many coffees do you purchase? There are certain things that you can think of throughout your daily walk that you don't really need, but we want. How can I say this? Because I had to do the same thing. During this pandemic, I have not been doing much shopping for clothes. Also, over the years, I've learned to thrift shop. Yes, thrift shop. I've gone to Goodwill. I've gone to the community thrift store just so that I can save. Not only that, but I've also acquired a new way or a new form of income as a result of thrifting and as a result of all the clothes that I have in my closet and I need to get rid of some of them. I have a Poshmark closet, Jeang59, and that's another form of income. It works. It works. If you want money, you have to save money. You have to save for your future. You have to save for, like the old people used to say, or my mom, my grandmama, save for a rainy day, because it does rain. It does rain. Right now, I need to get some work done on my roof, and I'm prepared to get that work done on my roof. Yes, I am prepared. This is one of the videos that I wanted to share with you because I care about you. I care about you. I always say this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my family and my friends, and I especially love God. I love my subscribers, and today, that's why I'm sharing this information with you, because I care. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.